Nah, it ain't a Drake song, but mama, we could throw some Drake on. Peach Orchard with some rock, get our drink on. Yeah, and maybe you could throw that lace on. Hang on, tell me what you want like Mason. Wait on, I set the mood, it won't take long. Patience, you could call your friend, get our thing on. Gay John, she don't like men, catch a hate crime. I'm just trying to get through to mama. Hope that juice and vodka help you lose your pride and get you loose with ride. No, I be here in the morning ride. When you wake up, just tell me that you want it like that. Yeah, like that, like that. Like that, like that, like down, like that, like that, like that, like that, like around, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like around, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. And I be like everything your other nigga tryna be. Go pull up in whatever, 10 or better while I'm sitting on my high seat. Wanna do it better, homie, just watch me as I drop these gems to digest. I kill a pussy cat, leave about 7 lives left. It's a murder that 911 like Wyclef. If you feeling that, meet me somewhere private, we could get a nightcap. Got your nigga hitting my jack. Homie, why you all up in my space like that? Shorty wanna roll, you could get her right back. Thriller of the moment, you know I'm a mic that I do it so proper, I could do it so poppin'. I swear it's no topping, even when she on top I'm no big papa, but when them jaws drop, she call me B.I.G. G.I.E. She want it like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like down, like that.